There's a small para jumble here. Very quickly, I'll just browse through this one and then I will hand over the session now. So there are some questions every year you find from para jumbles now. So there are a lot of techniques, students, like I'm not going to teach you the techniques or what we call it as a miraculous way of sorting out these ones. Like you will definitely, I will throw a lot of light on that one. Like, should we follow a triangle method in sorting out para jumbles, or should we follow what we call it as an inverted triangle that I am going to talk to you? This is what we call it as like least important to most important. This is most important to least important, students. Now, that is how our sentences have been arranged. Least important to more important, you will find in novels, stories, movies and all. Like only the most important information is highlighted at the end. They don't, they always keep secret. Only at the end only they try to let the cat out of the bag. This is newspaper style. Newspaper style is always most important to least important information. Now, the same thing follows in the para jumble, like which is the topic sentence? Where is the most important sentence? Like, okay, fine, let us just go through this one now. I mean, reading, we should have it like, when we got near, we saw it was the steam rising from hot spring now. It, what do you mean by it now? I don't get any idea about now, which means that cannot be your starting sentence now. It is a pronoun. So, lot of attention have to be paid to pronouns, please. Definitely I ask, so this is not your, what we call it as the first sentence now. That cannot be. We saw in the distance a great column of smoke. Okay. We saw in the distance a great column of smoke now. Seems to be sensible. I saw a topic sentence, I call it as, students, now. This is topic sentence. Topic sentence is the most important now. I'm just getting some sense now. Let me wait there. We wondered if it came from a chimney. It. So therefore, C also cannot be your first sentence now. We thought of taking a bath in the hot water. So what is this again? There is some kind of suspicion again with this one now. So let me just take it as now. So what I find here is that we saw in the distance a great column of smoke. That is topic sentence, main sentence now B. So which means I have to retain B. I have to retain B. So I can easily eliminate A options now. Okay, over. And now let me just go with the next one now. C. Okay. The examiner himself has given, so let us not waste our time now. We saw in the distance a great column of smoke. We wondered if it, what is it now? Smoke, yes. We wondered if it came from a chimney house. Sensible. So C follows. B now. Now the problem is D or A or what we call it as now. Now what follows this one now? Come on, let us see, students, now. We wondered if it came from a chimney or a burning house. Let me just take. When we got near what now? Burning house. We saw it was the steam. What is that? Smoke was the steam rising from hot springs now. Okay, fine now. So let us also check with this one now. We thought of taking a bath in the hot water. We wondered if it came from a chimney or burning house, and we thought of taking bath. Senseless. So therefore, D cannot be now. So therefore, it goes with A. Then what we call, so when we got near, we saw it was stream rising from hot springs, and finally we thought of taking bath in the hot water, students, now. So therefore, this is the right and proper sequence, students, now, right?